Want to ditch email deliverability headaches and send killer campaigns that actually land in inboxes? Let's set up Brevo, formerly Sendinblue, on your WordPress site and unlock pro-level email marketing. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins, then click Add New. In the search bar, type in Brevo, that's Brevo. Find the official Brevo plugin, it should be by Brevo, and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate to get the plugin up and running. You'll now see a Brevo option in your WordPress menu. Click on it. You'll be prompted to connect an existing Brevo account or create a new one. If you don't have one, creating an account is quick and easy. Follow the prompts to sign up. After you create or log into your Brevo account, follow any additional on-screen prompts to verify your domain and configure your sender settings. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Brevo with WordPress. Now you can create amazing sign-up forms, manage your email lists, and send high-converting campaigns.